Went to move this car this morning. It's my daughter's car, and I realized that it had a flat tire. So I brought it in here, aired it up, and found where the screw is right here. And she needs this car later today. It's Sunday. All the tire shops are closed. So I'm going to show you what we do in this situation where you just have to plug it yourself. First thing you kind of want to do is locate the screw or the problem area, air up the tire, and then just take a spray bottle with a little water, a little soap in it, and you just kind of spray where it is. And you're looking to see if it's leaking. Sometimes you get a nail, sometimes it's not leaking, and you can dry it for a little bit, but obviously this one is leaking. So when you spray the soap solution, you can see it bubbling up, which tells you it's leaking. And if she was to drive this, it'd probably be flat by the time she got off work. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, these are tools you're going to need. These tools right here, you'd find a tire repair kit. It's kind of nice to keep one in your car for just emergencies like this. But you're going to need, it comes with plugs, rubber cement, a little tool to clean out whenever you take the object out of the tire. You'll use this to kind of clean that area out. This is what pushes the plug into the tire. You'll put the plug in here like this. You just take one. And just kind of, it's got a little hole right there. Kind of got to push it through. It's kind of hard to get started. But once you get started, you kind of just pull it through. And you just pull it through until you get about half of it. And you just kind of fold it back. We'll put a little rubber cement on the tire and we take the screw out, and the knife is used to cut the plug once you get in the tire. You'll see here in a second. What you can do is take pliers. You try to use this tool to get it out, but this one won't quite come out all the way. So to speed up a little bit, I'm going to use a pair of pliers, pull it out, and then before I do that, I'm going to put a little rubber cement on this, just to help it seal real good. Just kind of on both sides there. All right, just gonna lay right there. We're gonna pull this screw out. I mean, my daughter got a real good screw here. Actually, that didn't come out right. I don't think I've ever had one in there this bad. That's your screw. It's leaking really good right now. You take this tool, you kind of clean it out. And just take your plug, push it in. You gotta get that rubber part in the tire. Once you get a tire, just pull it straight out. All right. Then you take your utility knife and just cut the excess off. Helps if you have a sharper utility knife. All right. That's it. Okay, we got the plug in. Now we're going to just air it up. And just air it up to what the manufacturer's recommendations are. It's usually inside your door if you're not sure. This one's 32 pounds. You can also read on your tire. It'll tell you how much to put in it. This one. Max is 44, but you don't put that much in. All right, that's 32. And then we're just gonna take our water and soap solution again, and we're just gonna test it. And it's not bubbling up. And before you could just see the bubbles. So that has sealed it. As you drive it, it'll push this down. That's fine. I won't say that was it, but that was actually a pretty hard tire to repair. I mean, that's what was in it. I needed to use the pliers to get it out, and like I said, I had 2 of those. You take this after you take it out, and you put that in a hole, and just kind of smooths the hole and prepares it for the plug. Okay, and then with the plug on there, then you push it down. And you twist a little bit as you're pushing down in there, but when you ready to take the plug or take this out and leave the plug in, you just pull with one quick motion, just pull it straight out, and it'll pull out. It comes off this, and it'll leave your plug in the tire and seals it. And we put a little rubber cement on the plug itself to just help it seal. So my daughter doesn't go to work till 3, so we'll let it sit here. I'll come out here a little bit later, check the air pressure, put a little more soap solution on it and see how it works. But that's why it's nice to have one of these little tire kits in your cars, and I'll keep one in all your cars for just situations like this. And if this helped you out, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment below. Like I said, this was a little bit harder than it usually is. Usually you got a nail, you just pull it straight out. You just take this little tool and you just kind of go in there. That one was kind of at an angle, so it was a little bit harder, but anybody can do it. And just for future reference, I mean, a lot of my videos are kind of simple and straightforward, and I try to give detailed instructions because I try to make my videos so my kids would understand them. So you know, as my kids are getting older, they're moving out, you know, I like to make my videos so as they get out on their own, they can watch these videos and they know how to do this stuff on their own. So that's kind of why they're a little simple, and I don't have a lot of complicated videos, but I kind of make a lot of these videos for my kids. And so other kids and, you know, young adults would know how to do this who've never done it before. But that's all I got. Get out there, just try and have fun, and just get it done.